Hey YouTube, my name is Cash and I'm back with Cash Chronicles. Do y'all see the hair? I'm gonna give y'all a moment to look at the hair.
You got me stuck inside your love cycle. I read your love Bible. We give the hood guidance. We keep the hood smiling.
Do you like it? This hair is giving me back on the prowl. This hair is giving me winter. This hair is giving me life. Like, do y'all see the curls? Do y'all see the color? This is when you'll do acting up and you need to get your hair done to show him who you really are. Respect me. Like, it complements my skin so cute. I was a little bit nervous to do it, but I feel like it turned out great. So if you're interested in achieving the same look on yourself, stay tuned. But if you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button because you're not gonna regret it. And if you aren't new, hey, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys. With that being said, let's get this party started. So as you can see, those are the three colors that I will be using. I used all three. I filled up my tub with hot water and I went ahead and dipped my hair in. I wanted to get my hair as wet as possible just so it would be easier for the dye to take. I used gloves just so it wouldn't get dye on my hands, but later on I actually ditched the gloves and nothing happened, so proceed with caution. I'm really not going to talk too much throughout this video because I feel like you could basically see everything I'm doing, but right now I just went ahead and dumped 2 bottles of the dye in and I used the comb to spread the dye out so it was no clumps or lumps or anything like that. So basically I just went ahead and started submerging my wig. I would really just dump it in there. Just keep dumping it, keep dumping it, keep dumping it. You want to make sure the dye gets over all of the strands of hair. You see me adding another bottle of dye in because the color wasn't taking like I thought it was, but it was just because it was wet. The color actually came out once I dried it. But just keep dumping it and spread out the hair to make sure every strand is covered. I wore this wig already, so I didn't want to do a full installation video because I'd rather do it on a fresh wig. But if you guys are interested in seeing how I install my wigs, just comment down below. I'd love to do a full actual installation video for you guys where I talk you guys through steps. But this is basically just how I install my old wigs.
Run that back, turbo.
A little letter came through the mail. It said I miss you. I'm tired of being tired. That part of me that died. Jumping on the stage, I get 200K. Riding the boy. I know I'm with that for you, but at least I said I'm sorry. Bow, baby, drop it to your knees. Yeah, money to my fears, whatever love sees. They pop your tees. Just send me the please. It's annoying me I can't get this side to look like this side.
About to tell my dude I love him, then I'm gonna dub him. This L is for you, I'ma take a W.
That's the vibe this song. That's the vibe this hair gives me.